2022 Ram 1500 V6. So we straight piped it earlier and it was way too loud. His kids complained, so he had to bring it back. So we added something to it. Let me show you what we added. So it's got the factory converter there, and then for them to equalize the length, they ran all this piping on it, on the Ram V6s. Look at that. Just crazy loops and turns and everything. Is to get it all the same size, you know, to equalize them, equalize each bank. Anyways, then it wires into a single 3.5-3-inch pipe. And then we installed a Borla ProXS. They always help with drone and just loudness right there. Part number 40357. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. It's actually the 5/8. It's the 2.5. This is the wrong box. The 5/8, which is the 2.5. 2.5 in, 2.5 out. They probably make a 3-inch too if you guys want a 3-inch. But this is what we had on hand, so we put a 2.5. Anyways, then the tailpipe there, we took the resonator off and finished it off with a massive 6-inch tip to deepen the tone a little bit more. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh, that's different. Yeah. It's still got a tone, but it's deeper. That sounds clean. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Here's sound decibels. It's right at 100. That's perfect. It was like 110 before, 112. That made a huge difference. Yeah, that's clean. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, it's clean. No rasp whatsoever. That's beautiful. It's perfect for a V6. Sounds like a V8. I like it. Bighorn edition. Let you guys hear it on the inside. With the e-torque 1500 Borla ProXS resonator delete 6-inch tip. I like that 6-inch tip. Sounds so good. I love it. No rasp whatsoever. That's crazy, guys. Enjoy.